Oh my god! How in the world did I end up making a cloud slime? Get in my face! What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today, I am attempting to do the making slime in one breath challenge, and I'm already shook. I saw the original video on Wengie's channel, so I will definitely make sure to link that in the description box below so y'all can watch the original video if y'all want to. I was totally inspired 100% to do this from Wengie. Also, y'all, really exciting, before we start the video, I am going to start a giveaway here on YouTube. I'm going to be giving away a pair of brand new Apple AirPods, and I am so excited. The rules to enter are super easy. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my second channel, which is linked down in the description box below. Also follow both of my Instagrams. They are on the screen here. It is at Unicorn Slime Shop and at JosephAnthonii. And when you're done with all of that, all you have to do is comment down below on this video only and let me know why you want to win a pair of AirPods, and also let me know your Instagram username so that I can contact you if you win. The giveaway is going to be running until Saturday, October 20th, so you have until then to enter. Alrighty, y'all, I've been speaking way too much, so let's get started with the challenge. Alrighty, y'all, so for the first challenge, I'm going to attempt to make butter slime in one breath, and I'm already shook. So we have some Elmer's School Glue here. We have a box of white Daiso clay. I have an assortment of varied colors, food coloring. Then I have my borax activator right here, a spoon to stir, and a bowl. For those who don't know, I actually have asthma. And my allergies have been acting up like crazy today, so I probably am not even gonna be able to do this. I picked like the craziest day to do this challenge, but it's gotta get done. Alright, y'all, so I actually have the timer set on my phone as well so that we can check to see, you know, how long it takes me and how long I can hold my breath. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm really scared. I'm gonna leave my phone right here. Maybe turn it upside down so y'all can see, possibly. I don't know if you can see it. Ooh, I'm so nervous. Okay, gotta do this. Let me just take a hit real quick. All right, let's do this. I'm so nervous. Okay, we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I can't do it. Oh, I thought I was gonna die. Y'all, I probably only lasted about 45 seconds. How do people do this? I'm actually sweating. Okay, I think I'm fine now. Y'all, I couldn't make the butter slime. I just couldn't do it. I barely made a regular slime. And at that, I didn't even like knead it fully. It's still very, very underactivated. Wow, I really underestimated how long it was gonna take me to do this, honestly. At least I made a slime-like substance. I feel like if I try this again the next time, because my glue's already open, I think it might give me a couple more seconds. I'm gonna attempt the butter slime one more time, because I really think I can do it. It's just, wow, I really underestimated it. I feel like I was going kind of slow. I will speed it up. All right, so that slime didn't come out bad. It just wasn't fully activated. I think I can do better this next time. I just need to speed it up. There's still purple slime here. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to go faster. Honestly, that's all I can do because time went by so fast and I was literally thinking that I was like drowning. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. I can't do it. Help. Why? Why? I could not get that bag of Dice-O-Play open. Yo, this is rough. Why I gotta be like that? This just proves that when you're in a hurry to do something, everything goes wrong. So this is what I ended up with here. Yeah, I can't do it. Let me at least make the slime, okay? Okay, y'all, literally 30 minutes later, probably, the slime is made, and it's now become the worst butter slime I've ever felt in my life because I overactivated. There are a clump of activators in here. It was just so hard because I had all the slime in my hand. The slime got all over the activator bottle. I couldn't even like, this is rough. I literally made the worst butter slime ever. All right, next I'm going to attempt to make a cloud cream, which honestly scares me to death because if I couldn't make a butter slime, I'm probably not gonna be able to make a cloud cream. But hey, let's do this for the tube. Do people say that? 3, 2, 1. Why? Why is this so hard? Get out of my face. Oh my God. There's snow everywhere. Okay, y'all. I think I'm just gonna take the L on this one and admit defeat because I can't do it. Okay, first of all, it technically is a cloud cream. Is it a good cloud cream? No, not at all. The snow isn't even fully mixed in. I added way too much of it. It's kind of more like a cloud slime actually. Just, you know, I just have to knead it a little bit. Watch. Let me fully knead this baby and it'll be a cloud slime. There is so much snow everywhere, oh my God. Okay. Okay, how in the world did I end up making a cloud slime? What the heck? Alright, so that one, even though I kind of succeeded and made a slime, it wasn't the slime I was trying to make, it's still a fail because there is a ton of snow fallout, like a ton. I am perfectly happy with taking the L on this one because I cannot hold my breath a second longer. I will combust into flames. So that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed me torturing myself. Give it a thumbs up because hey. Also, if you're new and you haven't decided on whether you like me or not or whether to subscribe, you should probably just subscribe. I mean, come on, do it for the AirPods. I am doing a giveaway. Like I said, all you have to do is just subscribe to this channel, my second channel, which is linked down below, and then also my 2 Instagrams, which is at Unicorn Slime Shop and at JosephAnthonii. And then come back to this video, comment once you are done, let me know why you want to win the AirPods and also what your Instagram username is, so that if you win, I can contact you. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I have a big mess to clean up. I will see you all next time. Bye! Who is calling me?